Hi everyone, my name is Becca. I'm a teacher here at Sonic and I teach Thursdays at 12:30 and I'm going to answer some questions today. Just take one. Okay, the first question is, what do you love about New York City? I love everything about New York City. I've lived here since I came for college, so about like 6 years now, and I love the energy. I love the community. As a dancer and a yogi, it's so fun to be in community with other like-minded folks, and just to have the opportunity to explore and be part of so much culture all the time. I just love living here. Question 2 is, being a dancer, how has yoga influenced your dancing? Wow, yoga has influenced my dancing in so many ways. I came to yoga as a way to sort of stretch and strengthen and improve my dancing physically, and I really found that that was super effective for me, but more than anything, yoga has been such a cathartic experience for me, and the emotional release and the anger release and the stress release and the clarity that I feel after practicing yoga has really informed my mental state and my ability to be more present in my daily life and continue pursuing this career that is so emotionally and physically demanding. It also helps me recover from a really long day of dancing. And again, like with New York City, the community that I found with yoga has just been so fulfilling for me. And I've met a lot of dancers through it as well. So it's really great circle that I'm part of. Question 3. How did yoga come into your life? So yoga, the first official yoga class that I took was when I was a freshman in college, and some of my dance friends from school, we just went for fun. And I kind of thought it would just be that, like a fun, physical activity, a waste of sweat, hang out with friends. And it started off like that for a little bit, and then I started going by myself weekly to an hour-and-a-half long practice, because it was really, as I said before, just an escape for me emotionally. And the more I got into it, the more I noticed how much I missed it when I didn't practice and how much I needed that release and that community in my life. And so I decided to take it a little deeper and do my teacher training, and now I'm here at this lovely place and I love being here. Is that good? Oh, there's more, sorry. Question number 4 is, what have you learned most from teaching yoga? I find that teaching yoga has taught me in a lot of ways how strong I am and how powerful I am. I feel like sometimes, living in New York City, I love it in so many ways, but you can feel a little bit swallowed by it. And I feel like the hula, the community of folks that I have met through yoga, and just having to stand up in front of a room of folks and speak for an hour and move has really helped me step back into my power and my sense of self, especially after a challenging few years that we've all been through. And I also find that when you're teaching poses, it helps you get into the pose deeper yourself. When you take your own advice and listen to what you're telling other folks to do and then do it, you have more success in some of the more challenging asanas. So it's a multifaceted thing, but it's been great for me. Thanks so much.